These apps affairs show you
How to get deleted stories back on Instagram. So as you can see, I've uploaded a story on my Instagram, and now let's delete this story first. Okay, once the story deleted, now I will show you how to get back the deleted story. So I'm going to my profile page, tapping on this three line at the top right, tapping on your activity, and here tap on recently deleted, and here select story, and here you will find all of your recently deleted stories. And now open the story that you want to recover. Tap on this more at the bottom right and just tap on restore, and the story will be restored. And in this recently deleted folder, all of your deleted stories will be stored for 30 days. After 30 days, all of your stories will be permanently deleted. And after that, you won't be able to recover them. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.